Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at a curbside video right up until February the 11th, which is Saturday. And for this video, for the new shoppers out there, basically you're ordering this through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, picking items up through the Walgreens app and then driving to the store and then picking them up. If you look at the left-hand side, that blue pickup, that's what we're doing. And it's lovingly known as a curbside or a pickup, where you drive to the store and grab your order at the photo department. Some more rules for you guys, as you love these rules. Again, you're ordering it through one of your devices, and you're going to drive to the store, walk to the photo department, and then ask for a receipt before they process your order. And you pick whatever the best deals are for you, and you need a minimum of $10 to get this to rock and roll for one of these orders, a minimum of a $10 balance. Now, if you're more of an in-store shopper and you just like to look around and, it's more your speed, or if you're trying to learn, this sort of shopping before you do curbside because it's too advanced. I made a full video yesterday going through some different deals, and the deals are pretty piping hot, guys, to be honest. So you might want to check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. Deal number one. So this is kind of an interesting one. We're going to grab this guy for $4.99. We do not have any digital coupons to go with. However, if you go over to the coupons.com app, there's $2 back for this product. So that's kind of nice. I'll take that. So double, triple check you have that. Along with IBOTTA's giving another $2 back. So on a product that's $4.99, that's down to 99 cents. Oh my gosh. We're also going to throw in two of the L'Oreal Elvives because I love this shampoo. So 2 for $9. And these are the digital coupons that we need to load for Elvive that include the 2 off 2 IVC coupon. That's of a one-time use, so if you already used it, it's a one and done. And then the 4 off of 2 digital, again, for the Elvive shampoo, and this is a manufacturer, guys. So looking at the overall basket, our total is $13.99. IVC is $2 off, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and our $4 coupon coming off for the Elvive. So the new total is $8.71. If you want to use some Walgreens cash, go for it. And then you're going to get that $2 from coupons.com, $2 from IBOTTA. It makes it like basically $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per product. Next Tuesday will be Valentine's Day, and if you need a little something, a nice gift for yourself or for somebody, this might be it. We're going to grab one of these bags of the Walgreens Epsom salt, and it is a 3-pound bag, so that's a big one for $4.99. And we're going to grab two Valentine's Day cards by Hallmark. Hopefully your store carries them. And then we're going to grab 2 bags of the Hershey's Kisses. We're going to load this IVC for the Hershey's, which is $1 off 2. This is of a one-time use, so if you wanted to grab more than 2 bags, obviously change your basket around. For the Epsom, we have $1.50 off. This is an only for you, so hopefully your account received it like mine, but like how nice is that? And then we're going to load 2 different only for you Valentine's Day coupons. I got a whole bunch of my account, like I think 7 or 8. So looking at the overall basket, this is your gorgeous chorus line of digital coupons coming off. Isn't that nice? After all the coupons coming off, guys, the total is $10.59. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 59 cents and call this a really nice basket of Valentine's Day stuff. The next deal we're going to look at is the L'Oreal Paris Skincare, this little guy. It's either the scent or scent-free. Look for it for $12.49 on the app. On a buy one, get one 50% off. So hopefully you can find 2, or they may be restocked in your store from last week's promotion. I got these coupons again, which is a 12 off of 2. So I bought them last week, and then 2 days later, it appeared again in my account. So something's going on. But make sure that you have this loaded. It's a 12 off of 2, which is a very generous coupon. Now, throwing 2 of these into a basket, it's a total of $18.73. Curbside pickups free. Our taxes there are digital coupons off for a new total of $7.85. There is no more IBOTTA rebate, but $7.85 for 2 lotions that are upwards of $13 each. Very good deal. Now we're going to do another deal with the Nivea shaving cream. These are buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Online, they're $4.31. If your store might have 4, let's throw 4 into a basket for $17.24. Check your IBOTTA account. If you might have these dollar rebates for these shaving creams, you'll get $4 back for the Nivea men's. And the limit for that is up to 5. So that's why buying 4, we're going to get $4 back. So looking at the overall basket, $7.24, curbside pickups free, our tax. I would use some Walgreens cash to pay that down, but after your $10 back for buying the 4, buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash, times 2 is 10, and then the $4 back from IBOTTA, it's $14 back, so it makes it $3.24 for the 4, or 81 cents per shave cream. Okay, deal number 5. And this is one I want to do because I want to send a lot of Valentine's Day cards out, and I'm really not that organized right now. These are $3.69 for the Hallmark. It's kind of like a fun sort of Valentine's Day card. I think they're super cute. Putting 3 of them into a basket because they're $3.69 a pop, we're going to hit our $10 mark. I have so many of these digital coupons, so I'm going to have to make sure that I have at least 3 loaded. The overall basket is $11.07, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $9 coming off. So I'm paying $2.73. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay that 73 cents and have 3 super cute Valentine's Day cards. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.